You feel like summer days to me, warm tender sunny rays. I hope that we are meant to be. You say nothing at all when we meet, yet somehow I know your history. Oh, come what may, I'm ready.
Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all feeling good today. Excuse the fact that I still got my hat on. I've not long got through the door, but I really wanted to pick up the camera and just start an intro to this vlog because I really want to get back into that vlog life. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to vlog a little bit of a day in the life and take you along for my day today. Even though this is probably just going to be a boring, mundane mum life at home, I cannot remember the last time I filmed a day in the life like this. I mean, I've filmed vlogs of our days out when we've been away, but I haven't done like a mum day in the life for ages. Even speaking to the camera feels slightly odd as well. Just trying to get back into the swing of things really, and so if I seem a little bit rusty or this vlog seems a little bit disjointed, that will be why. But as they say, practice makes perfect. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Julian and I'm actually a mum of 6. The 3 older girls at the moment are at school, and at home I currently have my 3-year-old Amora, and I also have my 18-month-old baby twins, or not babies, toddlers now, but they are still my babies to me, they always will be, and they are currently napping. So as I mentioned, we went out this morning and then they, oh, that's the door. Oh, 2 seconds. Sorry, the door just went. I just got a package. I'll show you in a minute because it is a bit of a Marmite purchase. So you're either gonna love them or hate them, but I'll get around to that in a minute. As I mentioned, we went out this morning and then the babies fell asleep on the car on the way home. So I've just transferred them to their cots. So fingers crossed, they are sleeping at the moment. Hopefully they'll have a nice nap. I had actually planned to do this intro before I went out this morning, but it just ended up being a manic morning and I was just scrambling to get everyone out the door, as I am most mornings being a mum of 6. And then I brought my camera with me because I thought, oh, I'll do it in the car. And then as soon as I opened it up, it said 0 battery. Biodee this morning in the shops though, he was not having it. He was not a happy boy. He was not happy in his pram. I gave him a snack and then he didn't want it. And then I got him out because I thought maybe he'd like to walk around. And then he was still crying and he wanted me to carry him, but obviously trying to carry him, push the pram, it's just all too much. There were a few little areas where he did walk on his own, but yeah, he was not very happy. And then I was with my friend, we went for lunch in Costa. He was okay whilst we were eating, but yeah, he didn't want to stay there too long. He's just going through a really clingy stage at the moment, so I'm not sure if he's teething or he just wants his mum. I am definitely finding that the age they are at now, 18 months, is a difficult age. Taking them places is not as easy as it once was, and I'm sure all you toddler mums out there will get it. I can't even remember if I told you where I went to. We went to our retail park near us, which has like a Home Bargains and B&M, and I really just wanted to have a little mooch around those shops. I haven't been to any of those shops since the new year. I did go and think maybe I'll get some bits, and then if I've got enough I'll do a little haul for you guys, but honestly I didn't see much that I needed. I did get a few items, but to be honest they are boring. I'm going to show you anyway, but they're not, it's not a fun haul. It's definitely not a fun haul. It's more of a, it's not even a haul, it's literally like 5 items. Anyway, I'm going to show you. First of all, I got this Vanish Power Gel stain remover, so I actually really needed a stain remover, so I'm going to try this. I've not tried this one before, so who knows, but if you are a mum of children, then you know that you need stain removal for clothing. Trying to feed 18-month-old twins, they just want to throw their food on the floor, they want to tip their bowls out, they want to put it in their hair. Oh, it's just all fun and games really. So yeah, I need a lot of stain remover at the moment. I also got some of these Milka cake bars, so that'd be a nice little after school snack for the kids. I got some of the Flash Speed Mop wet cloths. I absolutely love these for a quick mop around the kitchen, and these ones in, what scent is this actually? The Wild Orchid scent. They just smell amazing and they leave your house smelling amazing. Then I saw these in B&M. So this is £2.50, a set of 4 cutting mats. So they're quite thin. We only have one plastic chopping board and we've got lots of wooden ones, but I don't actually like cutting food up on the wooden chopping boards. I feel like wood just soaks in all of the nastiness really. So I thought that these would be perfect, and they do say red meat, vegetables, seafood, poultry, so you could have a different one for each type of food. When our one plastic chopping board is in the dishwasher, we don't have anything else really that we can use, so I thought that these would be really, really handy, and you can't really go wrong for £2.50 for 4. Like I said, they're quite thin, but you're going to be able to cut and do food prep on them. And then the last thing I got, I told you it was a boring haul, these 5 heavy duty over the door hooks. So this was £5 reduced to £4, massive reduction of £1 there. I'm going to put this on the back of the girls' room. They're just really, really good for coats and dressing gowns and things. I've noticed that in Harlow and Harper's wardrobe, I'm getting really low on space. It's really getting a squeeze really to put everything on there. So the coats and things are hanging up in there, their dressing gown, I'll be able to hang on the back of the door, so that will free up a little bit of room in their wardrobe. And then that is my haul. Oh, I'll show you my parcel actually before I move on. In a minute I'm gonna go get changed. I don't know about you, but I just like to be really comfy whilst I'm at home. You really are going to like love or hate these, but I don't know even how I feel actually now I'm getting them out. They are my new pair of Crocs. But look how funky they are. So you're either a Croc lover or a hater. I'm definitely a lover. I already have 3 pairs, and the kids all have a pair each if you have children as well. They are the easiest shoe, especially in the summertime. They just make the easiest slip-on shoe. So when they're in and out of the garden, if you're just quickly pop into a park or a walk, they are just the easiest shoe ever, and the kids absolutely love them. But I saw these, they actually came up on an Instagram ad. You know the ads that just come up on your Instagram, and they just spoke to me. So I thought, do you know what? I'm gonna get them. And I think people are gonna hate them, but I love a Croc. I thought as well, actually, before I take it off, I'll show you my jacket. This is from Zara. I absolutely love it. And I think Primark do a dupe now. I've seen the Primark dupe popping up on a few stories I've seen on Instagram. And if you see what Amor's up to, she's currently watching TV in the living room. I went to go check on Amor, and she'd fallen asleep in front of a TV, bless her. So she is currently sleeping. The twins are currently sleeping, and the house is so quiet, and I'm like, what do I do? I've got a spare hour to myself, half an hour, however long they may sleep. By the way, look at how my dining table chairs are at the moment. This is how we have to have it in the day to stop the toddlers from climbing up onto the table. At any given opportunity, they would try and get up on there if they can. I have to keep the chairs onto the table, and then I'm constantly wiping down the table and the bottom of the chairs, obviously, so it's not dirty. I've also put on a wash. I got changed into my comfies. Right, so I am just making myself a hot drink now, because whilst everyone's asleep, I thought I may as well enjoy a nice hot coffee. And I'm really undecided as to whether to just sit and enjoy myself whilst everyone's sleeping, enjoy the peace and the calm and the quiet, or to get productive and get on with some bits, because there's always something I need to do. I'm also going to apologise if the lighting goes really patchy in this video, because it is such a grey, miserable day today. This is our dishwasher, but the door has fallen off and we are waiting to get it fixed. This is like the second time this has happened, I think, but it also means that the dishwasher never like fully stays open. So I have to kind of like hold it with my leg whilst I empty it, which is fun.
I've been down, I've been everywhere, but I'm alright now, I'm alright.
So that's done, wash is on. I think I'm gonna go into the living room and try and organise some of the toys in there. I've created a little play space for them in the corner with their play mat. I can't explain it to you whilst I'm in there because she's asleep in there, so I don't wanna wake her up. But I need to go through some of the other toy baskets, double check it's all toys that they play with, maybe get rid of some of the really baby toys that they don't play anymore, and just find a home for all of these Christmas toys. When you're trying to organise toys when the kids are awake, they just want to play with everything.
I nearly drowned in my own despair, but I'm alright now, yeah. Baby, you can turn the rain into gold. us messing around, but that has changed now. That has changed.
I was going to show you where I got up to with the toys, but as you can see, everyone is up now. Everyone is up. Bodhi just woke up unhappy, didn't you? And then I had to change Bodhi's outfit as well because he had leaked through. This is the area I was talking about with the toys. I just transferred all of the Peppa Pig stuff into this big bag here because they got a lot of Peppa Pig for Christmas, and then I moved the other little bag into the playroom. I just feel like I have toys coming out of my eyeballs. Maybe toys are just so big and bulky, I just never know what to do with them. So it's going to be an ongoing process, definitely, because there's a lot more baskets I need to go through in this living room. Yeah, everyone is up now. My mum is actually getting Harlow and Harper from school today, so I'm not doing the school run. I'm going to wait for them to come home and we'll probably just have some playtime. What have you found inside that toy dinosaur? Do you like that? It's a glittery heart. What's inside there, Navy? Oh, you've eaten him. Is dinosaur hungry? So if this was one of the toys I was thinking about clearing out, clearly you all really like it still.
Hey, you're not walking. Mummy, you're walking.
He needs new batteries, doesn't he? You gonna feed him, Bodhi? Come on, Bodhi. Here you go. Do you good, Tommy? Oh, do you good, Tommy? Oh, do you good, Tommy? Right, let's go do some drawing in the kitchen. Oh, what have you put up there, Bodhi? That doesn't go up there. That doesn't go up there. Should you put this back?
Thought I could settle down, but that has
Should you get out of your chair, Bodhi? Sit down on the chair. Navy wants a chair. Do you want this chair? Here you go, darling. Oh, strong girl. It's going to be noisy in here. Point proven. I have got the three littles wandering around. Colouring lasted about 0.5 seconds. They just weren't interested today. Some days they really love it. Other days, like today, they're not as interested. And then I also have Harper and Harlow back from school. They are in the background there just watching some TV. And Alexa's up in her room. So the lighting is horrific at the moment. It is like 5 o'clock in the evening now and it's pitch black outside. I'm going to start making some dinner. I normally try and wait till Ada's home from work so that we can like tag team, make dinner together and also watch the littles. I mentioned Ada isn't going to be home. He has a few call outs this evening, so he's going to be home a little bit later. I really wanted to show you what we are making for dinner tonight because it is so yummy. So we are having a chicken katsu curry. Got these recipe kits from a website called Simply Cook. I actually got these like years and years ago when we were living in our old house. Then randomly the other day, I can't remember where I saw it, but it was basically advertising Simply Cook again, get your first box for free. So I decided to just do it again so I could have the free box. You can choose how often you want them to come and they make for really, really nice meals. So we're gonna have a chicken katsu curry. We've got the breaded chicken steaks. We're gonna have it with rice and veg. Right, so mini chopping board update. They are very small and also they don't like grip the sides. So they are a little bit slippy, but that being said, it does the job and they're only £2.50. So yeah, I'm relatively pleased. Pop my onion into the pan. So I'm just gonna start cooking the sauce with my packet. Got our broccoli on the go there, and then the chicken is in the oven. And then I also have my rice cooker here, which is she's my little baby. I love my rice cooker, and I know that people can see rice cookers as like a really lazy thing, but I grew up with a Filipino mother and she always used a rice cooker. I think she might have actually got me mine. I just love it.
that has changed, baby. You can turn the rain into gold. So
Oh wow, what are you wearing, Moo? You just put that on? Did you get yourself dressed?
Yeah.
You did?
Papa put it on.
Harper helped you put it on?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
this is what it means to fall in love. I like it.
and then after dinner we will do the girls reading with them, and then after that it's going to be the whole bedtime malarkey, trying to get the little ones into bed. I'm going to close the vlog off here. I know that not much has gone on, or we haven't got up to much, but it's just been a kind of mundane at home day really, and it's just been a bit of a chill day. This was kind of my like little ease back into vlogging. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, and I shall see you all in my next one. Bye guys.